Hi amazing people, I wish that you're very happy, very fine and enjoying your life as well, and I welcome you on behalf of our company Fesgi Consultant. And in today's video I'm going to teach you German language, because if you are planning to study in Germany, or if you want to do a job in Germany, if you have intention to open your company in future in Germany, or if you are applying for a spouse visa for your husband or wife, and even if you want to be a doctor in Germany, then it is imperative for you to learn German language to achieve all your future goals. And I'm here to help you to fulfill all your dreams. So now, without wasting time, let's get started. So now you can see on your screen, it's a whiteboard, and I have prepared a lot of things for you to make sure that I can help you to understand the basic, fundamental and very valuable vocabulary, the greetings. I have written here German language greetings, and I'm sorry for that. Maybe there you might find some words will be blurred because of the shadow of the light is coming, the tube light, so I'm sorry for that. So it's German language greetings. So first word, whenever we talk about German language, the one word comes into our mind. It's a universal word, and that is Guten Tag. Guten Tag means hi, hello, good day and good afternoon. So you can imagine, if you don't know anything, if you don't know how to greet someone, but you know this word, that's enough to convey your message that you want to greet someone by saying Guten Tag. So this is, you have to keep in mind, and just keep in mind this G will be pronounced like a K, so Tag. But don't worry, we will focus more about like pronunciation in following videos, but now we have to stick to the basic fundamental words, normal words we use in our day-to-day conversation, so that you can familiar yourself, and then you can use these words in your day-to-day conversation with your family, with your friends, anybody you want to. So now next word we have Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen means good morning. So when you wake up, so if you want to tell someone, you can say, hey, Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Now the next word is Guten Abend. Again, this D will be pronounced like T. So Guten Abend. This has meaning good evening, good evening. So it's an evening time, you meet someone, you can say, hey, Guten Abend. So good evening. So it's very simple. Now here you find Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht, that means good night. So if you want to greet someone before sleeping, hey, Gute Nacht. Here you can find one difference, that here it's N, here N is missing, because Nacht is feminine and Abend, Morgen, Tag, all these are masculine. So it is an important thing for you, but not now, that in German language we have a gender, masculine and feminine, and there is also one more. So we will discuss in following videos, don't worry. Just to give you example why it is missing. So it is feminine, Nacht, night is feminine, but all these are masculine. So Gute Nacht means good night. Now next word is Hallo. Hello. Hello, just like in English language we say hello, hello, somebody, like when we call, or we say hi, hello. So in German language we say hello. So whenever you have a conversation over the call, you can say hello. And also if you don't know someone, if you want to greet, if you don't know anything, simply you can say hello. So the person you're talking to, he or she will understand you're saying hi, hello, you are greeting someone. So now next word is Danke. Danke means thank you, because in our day-to-day life we find some situation where we have to thank you someone. So you can say simply Danke, Danke. So this is the pronunciation, Danke. Now what happens, sometimes we meet someone like new person we have never met, but something happens in our life and we meet someone very first time, so we say nice to meet you. So here you can use Freut mich. Freut mich. Freut mich. So this is very simple. You can say, hey, freut mich, nice to meet you, pleased to meet you. So this is again very simple. You can pronounce the way I'm pronouncing. That's the easy way for you to focus right now, because later on we will talk about like pronunciation also, how you can improve. But now let's talk about, we want to say someone, hey, how are you? So in Germany we say wie geht's. It is very simple and easy way. Whenever you meet someone, you don't want to be informal or formal, then you can simply say, hey, wie geht's. That simply means how are you, like how are you, wie geht's. And now the same thing we can also express in different way. For example, here you can read wie geht es dir, wie geht es dir. That means here dir is coming, and when you have dir, that means it is informal. Means in Hindi language you can simply say tum, because in Hindi language we also have a gender like masculine and feminine, but in English language we don't have a gender issue. Like you means you, tum means aap is same in English language, but when we talk about like German language, it's similar to Hindi. So just to give you one easy example, you can use wie geht es dir. That means how are you, tum kaise ho. It's very simple. Dia means tum, if you can easily understand. And now we can ask same thing with some respect in a formal way. So here wie geht es Ihnen. Ihnen you can use when you want to give respect to someone you're meeting first time, and also you're talking to your parents, your teacher, your professor, your boss. So here you can use Ihnen. It looks good, sounds good, because you're giving respect. So whenever you want to give respect, then use this wie geht es Ihnen. That means in Hindi language, Ihnen means aap. So it's very simple. In Hindi you can understand it's aap, wie geht es Ihnen, aap kaise hain. Here tum kaise ho, wie geht es dir, how are you. And now if you want to express how are you feeling, so you can say es geht mir gut. Es geht mir gut, I'm good, I'm fine. Whatever meaning you want to use, you can. So I'm good, I'm fine. But if you want to say that I'm not good, I'm not fine, I'm bad, I'm not feeling well, so you can say es geht mir schlecht. So you can use schlecht instead of good. So if you are well, if you're good, you can say es geht mir gut. But if you're not good, then you can say es geht mir schlecht. So that's how you can ask somebody wie geht es dir, wie geht es Ihnen. 3 ways: formal, informal, and again if you don't want to use formal, informal, you can say wie geht's. And the answer is like es geht mir gut, es geht mir schlecht, as per your feeling, what you are feeling at that time. So now this is, you have to understand. Now the next thing is Auf Wiedersehen. That means if you want to say, obviously the time comes in your day, like you say somebody, hey, bye, goodbye. So in Germany you can use Auf Wiedersehen. I know the word is very long, but it's a big word, but this is the reality. In German language you will find a lot of big words, lot of spelling, lot of words. So Auf Wiedersehen, that means bye, goodbye. So that's the word you can use. Again also you can use informal like choose. The way we write, it's something like different. So TSCHUSS. So the pronunciation is very simple. Choose. That means also bye, goodbye. So that's how you can express your feeling according to the situation. And now let's see again the new words. Like if you can see Entschuldigung. That means excuse me, because we have a time in our life when we say somebody, hey, excuse me, can you help me? So we want to stop somebody, so we say, hey, excuse me, Entschuldigung. So the word is also, you can see the words ENT, it's a long word. So Entschuldigung, the pronunciation is Entschuldigung, excuse me. Then we have one easy word, bitte. Bitte means please. If we request somebody, we want somebody's help, so we can say bitte können Sie das machen. I'm just giving you an example, like can you do that? Können Sie mir helfen bitte? Can you help me please? So you can imagine the way we speak in English language, the same situation. If you have, then you can use bitte, bitte, B-I-T-T-E, bitte, please. And also we have very important word in our life, because whenever we do something bad, something silly, and then we have to say I'm sorry. So in German language you can say es tut mir leid. Es tut mir leid, that means I'm sorry. So you can use this word. This is very important also. Es tut mir leid, I'm sorry, I did by mistake. So you can use that word. So I think in today's video you have learned so many words, like the words you can use in your day-to-day life with your friends, your family members, somebody you know, somebody you don't know. So these are the important words which I wanted to make sure that you understand, and you can write, and you can also grab the pronunciation the way I'm speaking. So I think this is enough for today, and in the next following videos I will make different videos about verbs and different things. There are a lot of things, so I will make sure that I can justify and you can really learn German language the way we speak in Germany, because I live in Germany and I speak different languages. That's why I'm thinking to help everyone. And as I told that if you want to go abroad, then the German language is necessary, mandatory, obligatory, it's paramount, like whatever words you want to use, it is the important thing. So you cannot ignore it, you cannot escape it, so you have to do it. So thank you so much, and keep learning German language. So now I believe that you have understood everything and you have learned something new today in this video. And also we provide German language classes. So if you want to make better your German language, listening, writing, reading and speaking, then you can simply join our classes, and for that you can contact us via call, WhatsApp and Instagram. And that's how we can connect, and we will assist you thoroughly so that you can achieve your goals, you can fulfill your dreams, and that's how you can be successful in your life. And that's the goal we have. And in short, if you like this video, so please like, share, subscribe our channel, give it a thumbs up, press the bell icon button to make sure that you get the notification, and you can watch all our new videos. And also you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. So finally, thank you so much for your precious time. Best of luck. Take care.